When it comes to wired earphones, there are so many options out there that sometimes we end up getting confused at which one to pick. But recently I got my hands on these earphones and I'm quite impressed. Hi everyone, I'm Vinita and today we will be looking at the Mivi Rock and Roll E5 earphones with mic. Moving towards the body and design of the Mivi E5 wired earphones, the color variation that I have over here is a combination of yellow and black. These earphones have a braided cable. The quality of this cable looks quite good, and since it's braided, there will be no hassle of tangling, so you can easily put these earphones in your pocket or your bag and they won't tangle for sure. Now at the bottom they have a 3.5 mm angular jack which will connect these earphones to your device. Over here there are all these controls. This is a multifunction button and this is an inbuilt microphone to support hands-free calling. From this point the main cable divides into two thinner cables, but the quality has not been compromised as it still looks fine. Now talking about the earbuds, they have a beautiful ergonomic design, so you will feel comfortable while using these earphones. They have a unique design on the top and the ear tips feel soft, so you will not face any discomfort when you put them in your ears, and they both are light as feather. Plus they have a snug fit design, so see, they will fit you perfectly and they feel comfortable. Also, if you face any problem with the fitting, we are provided with these extra ear tips, so you can pick the ones whichever fits you the best. The body and design of the E5 by Mivi truly wired earphones looks quite good. Moving towards the features and performance of the Mivi Rock and Roll E5 wired earphones, well, these earphones come with powerful drivers of 10 mm. They have super solid deep bass. They have HD quality sound which will elevate your listening experience for sure. And the best part about these earphones is that you get vibrant color options to pick from. You get black, beige, blue, red and yellow. And guess what? You get all these features at a very reasonable price.